Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Tara. If you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. I create fashion and lifestyle content, so if you're into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, go back and look at some of my other videos. You'll see that I do hauls, I do outfit inspo, I do ways to wear it video where I style one item in many different ways. If you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're a little bit skeptical, you're not sure, you want to feel me out, see how my channel is, stick around to the end of the video and then hit that subscribe button. Today's video, y'all, I'm so excited about it. Honestly, when this company reached out, I was like, this has to be a joke. They couldn't be reaching out to little old me. Okay, I don't even have that many subscribers, but it wasn't a joke. They were reaching out to little old me, and it is Temu. If you're not familiar with Temu, I consider Temu like an online superstore. Like, they have everything. They have household items, they have kids toys, they have clothing, they have furniture, they have whole sheds that you can put in your backyard. I mean, Temu has everything. Okay, I have purchased some things from Temu in the past, so the fact that they reached out to me to do a fashion video, I was excited. I was a little bit like, Temu, what is your fashion like? You know, what is it giving? So it was a good chance for me to like try it out, and y'all, I am not disappointed. Temu came through. When y'all see these items, I was like, okay, all right, Temu, I'm here for it. These items are specific to summer. I wanted to get some pieces to kind of close out my summer wardrobe and that I can transition into fall. And Temu was nice enough to offer a discount code to all of my lovely subscribers. So I'll put that up on the screen. If you download the app and use this code, you get a $100 coupon bundle that you can use. And that's $100 to buy products on Temu, y'all. $100 worth of products just given to you when you download the app and use this code. So if you have not downloaded the app before, you've never used Temu, now is your chance to get on there and pick up some of these items that I'm featuring in the video and look at some of the other pieces that they have. Y'all, I promise you the stuff is so good. Anyway, I'm doing a lot of rambling. The code will be on the screen. It'll also be down in the description box. And the links to all of these items will be in the description box as well if you want to purchase any of these. All right, let's jump into the video. So I started with accessories, and I have purchased accessories from Temu before. Temu has great sunglasses, blue light glasses, all those things. I picked up 2 pieces of jewelry. I want y'all to see how they got this stuff wrapped up. It is nicely protected and bubble wrap, but I really wanted a new gold watch, especially for the fall. I wanted one that was a little bit thinner, and so you can see that this one has a thinner frame. Absolutely love this. I'm getting a little bit, there it is. I was getting a little bit of a glare, but I love this like vintage gold. It's definitely giving like classy girl. I would say it's definitely inspired by a luxury brand. Y'all, this is such good quality. It's kind of a heavy metal. It does have a clasp. If you need to take any of these links out, you can. It comes with a tool to actually do that. So, all right, and here it is on. I do have another little stack of necklaces on. So pretty. I absolutely love that. I had to have this. And then I picked up a bracelet and ring set. So I'm trying to get back into bracelets. I haven't been wearing them lately, and I kind of just want to get back into having bracelets. I love gold. Now the bracelet is just a cuff. How beautiful is that? And it just opens up like this. You can cuff it right on your wrist. I absolutely love that. Super just simple and classy, and it's a good way to add to a stack, to an existing stack. So I definitely think I'm gonna get a few more of these. And then honestly, I don't wear rings at all. I kind of want to get back into wearing those as well. So this one is also in that same style, and I think I would like this on my pointer finger. Yeah, I like it on my pointer finger. So that's that. And all of these are like heavy, good metal quality. So love that. Okay, let's get into some of the clothing items. I'm actually gonna start with this top I have on right here. And I am gonna put a full screen clip on the side, but this is the first set, y'all. This set is so good. When I saw it, I just knew like the colors. Let me turn the light down a little bit so you can see the true color. That is the true color of this set. Absolutely love this like baby blue. Is striped. And I've talked about before, I like when the stripes go in different directions. And they come with this pair of shorts. I have on some different shorts right now because I don't plan on wearing this all day. But they come with these little flippy shorts right here. It does have a functional drawstring, which is always a win for me. Y'all, I just love this set. This is perfect for like those summer days when it's a little bit cooler. You may have a little bit of a breeze, or even if you're going out in the evening into the nighttime, you want to be kind of casual. This is a good option. Let me tell you something about this quality. The quality is A1. This is a heavy material. Like, this material has a little bit of weight to it, which I love. And it is printed. You can see that it has the white on the inside, so it is a printed fabric. But I love that it's a weighted fabric. Weighted fabrics for me always feel a little bit more luxurious. They look a little bit more luxurious when you're walking. Now, I know I'll be able to wear this button down into the fall because it is definitely heavy enough that I can wear it in the early fall months with like a pair of oversized jeans or even a pair of trousers. This will follow me into the fall for sure. So love this little set here, and it does come together. You don't have to buy it separately. I picked this up in an extra large, I believe. I wanted the shorts to fit loose. I did not want the shorts to fit tight on my thighs, so I did pick this up in an extra large. I'm so glad I did. Even though the top fits a little bit oversized, I don't mind that. Like, I'll take an oversized top to not have to deal with super tight shorts when it comes to sets that are not sold separately. Okay, the second item, we all know the bubble dresses are in right now. Everybody's wearing bubble dresses. Funny thing, y'all, school started back this week, and half of the girls going back to school have on little bubble skirts or mini skirts, bubble dresses. I love that it's transcending ages, because all the way from high school up into millennials and, you know, even further, the girls are wearing bubble skirts. I love this trend. I wanted to try it out, so I got this little pink bubble dress right here. I just love this color. You know, I low-key think I'm a pink girl because I have a lot of pink pieces, and I don't really cape for pink like that, but I think I may be a pink girl because I always end up picking up some. I'm looking at like 4 or 5 different pink items right now in my closet, so I may cape for pink a little bit. But this little bubble skirt is so cute. The quality is so good. This top is just like a cotton t-shirt type of material, but the bottom is more of a dress fabric. So love that, and it's not too short. I don't feel like I'm showing all the goods. Y'all, I'm definitely gonna wear this with tennis shoes or flat sandals. I don't think I would wear this with heels. I'm not feeling the look of the bubble skirt with heels. I prefer it with, you know, a sneaker or a lighter sandal. That's just me. Okay, before I get back into the sets, let me show you this next dress. Now, when I saw this dress on the model, I'm like, are they gonna get this right? Like, is this gonna be good? And it said it was like a linen material. I'm like, Lord, are they gonna get it good? Y'all, this dress is good. It's so good. It's so good. It's a linen dress. Me holding it up is not even gonna do it justice. You're gonna have to see the full clip. It's black at the top, and then it flows into this white linen material at the bottom. It's a maxi dress, and let me tell you what surprised me the most. Let me tell you what surprised me the most. It's lined. It's lined. First of all, there are a lot of companies, and I mean not even fast fashion. There are a lot of like mid-luxury companies that don't line their clothing. Let me just say that. So for this to be Temu, where, you know, people say what they say about Temu, this is a lined dress. What? Y'all, the cutest little baby doll dress. I can see this on the weekend. Like, we're just going shopping and maybe to get lunch and drinks. It's flowing in the wind. Like, it's giving just luxurious summer. It just screams summer. This one, it's right. Picked it up in a large. I looked at the reviews on this because I wasn't sure if I needed to get a large or an extra large, and most people said it fit kind of true to size, and it leaned toward running big. So that's a good tip. If you're on Temu or any, you know, online shop, make sure you look at the reviews, because they'll give you a lot of the information that you may have some questions on. And make sure you look at that size guide. If you don't know your measurements, measure yourself so you can always refer back to that and look at that size guide, because the size guide is really going to help you a lot, and most of the times it's spot on. So I picked this up in a large. I just love this dress. Like, girly, feminine. It's just good. It's good. So this is another two-piece set. I loved this. It screams vacation, but I can still see myself wearing this like just on a weekend, frolicking with the girls or with hubby or whatever. It's almost like cheesecloth material. This tie, you can tie it as tight or as loose as you want to, because it is adjustable. It has a zipper on the side. I loved that it had this like long little almost veil at the side, this extra piece of fabric. It's just a good little detail to add. Now I'm looking at the top. It is gonna fit me a little bit large, but I don't mind. I don't mind if stuff is oversized on me. And since this is adjustable, I can pull it up as far as I need to make it fit. Now this is a set that comes together, and so like I mentioned earlier, I have to buy sets that come together in a larger size. I would prefer to buy everything larger and get it tailored if I need to, instead of having a pair of shorts that is super tight on my thighs. So it does come with these white shorts. Now these, I don't know if you can see my hand in the camera, but these are a little bit see-through, so keep that in mind. The top should cover some of that up, but it is a little bit see-through. Love this though, with a pair of sandals and just a cute little shoulder bag, frames. Y'all, these, I'm telling you, Temu in these sets, they really surprised me. Temu surprised me with the sets, and the quality is surprising me. You did that, Temu. I have a couple more sets. Now this one is definitely gonna take me into the fall. I feel like for right now, this one may be a little bit too, it may be a little bit too warm for me to wear this. Now I always see the girls with like long sleeves and pants on in the summer, or even jackets. I'm not that girl that can do that. I can't. I get hot. I sweat a lot. I'm just not that girl that can do it. But if you can, go for it. But I picked this up with the fall in mind, because I knew that I can mix and match these two pieces if I wanted to, and then I can wear them together in the fall. So it's just this black and white kind of abstract print set. It does come with pants. Now the pants, I haven't tried them on yet. I will add a little pop up on the screen if the pants are not what I expected, but the pants do look a little bit small for my liking when it comes to wide leg pants, and I picked this up in an extra large. I just feel like the thigh is gonna fit a little bit tight, but I could be wrong. We'll see when I try them on. This does not have a functioning drawstring, so keep that in mind if you decide to buy this item. But I just love the abstract print on this. Wearing this with like sandals and a tee, and maybe if you want to pop this on, like I can see myself wearing this in the summer to like a movie date. Like I know it's gonna be cold in the movies, so this would keep me really warm. I can maybe put on a tube top under this if I wanted to wear this open, or I can just carry this with me and put it on when I get in the movies. I can drape it across my shoulders. So many options. This with leather pants, with leather shorts, I mean with a pair of trousers. So many different ways you can wear this. So okay, the next item I picked up was a 3-set pack of these little t-shirt and shorts. I do work from home, and so these are perfect for like working from home, and I'll try on all of them. I think they list these as pajamas, but for me it's like this is a cute little something to throw on when I'm working from home. I can take a meeting in this because this shirt is just a t-shirt. I can put on a necklace with it and a pair of reader glasses and still look professional. I was gonna wear this today to like go do pickup and everything. This fabric is thick, baby. This is like a sweatshirt almost. Definitely gonna take me into the fall. But it came in this white color, and then it came in a gray color and in black. And this was a 3-piece set. It all came together. I think It may have been $25 or $30, which is great for 3 sets. And like I said, I'll wear these to work from home. These will be my go-to, like, work from home throw on sets, especially on days when I don't have to go many places, because the shorts on these are very short. And that's the reason why I didn't wear them today, because I'm like, I'm going to pick my son up from school. Probably shouldn't wear shorts this short to pick my son up from school, so I didn't wear them today. But such a good deal. Now I will say, this is not a spandex material. It's not cotton either. It's a very soft material. It's not gonna fit you super tight unless you size down. I picked these up in a large, I think. If I would have gotten these in a medium, I know the shorts would have been way too tight for my liking, but the shirts would have been perfect. If you like a very fitted shirt, you have a similar frame as me, you may want to consider another set that maybe has more spandex. But this is just like good to have. Like, it's always good to have some nice lounge wear, especially if you work from home, that you can just throw on around the house and feel comfortable. Or you can just choose to wear these as pajamas, because that's what they're marketed as. Okay, these are the last 2 items, and they are denim items. I've been wanting to re-up my denim top collection, and so this was the perfect time. This is the first little top. I love a crop top, y'all. I love a crop top, and I love a button-down crop top. Okay, so the best of both worlds. This one has the cut-off kind of muscle tee style, and it does have functioning buttons, so you can open and close these. But I just loved how the front of this is just like the pockets. So good, and it kind of curves in the back. I did get this in a size, what size did I get? I got a size large. I didn't want this to fit tight at all. I wanted it to be oversized, and so that's why I got it in a size large. Love this, very good quality. The denim quality on this, very good. The stitching, that's another thing that I've noticed about these Temu items. The stitching, whoever's doing this, they're doing a good job, because the stitching is good. It's good, and I can definitely wear this into the fall. So this has very little stretch. Keep that in mind. If you want to get it, you know, smaller, just keep in mind that it has very, very little stretch. Okay, now this one, Temu, you duped me a little bit. You duped me a little bit on this one, because I thought it was a set, and I'm gonna show y'all how they put the picture up for the item. I thought this was a set that came with shorts. It's just the top, girl. Where are the bottoms? Temu got me with this one, but this is just a vest style top. It does have that really structured, tailored fit, which you'll see in the try-on clip. I love this color of denim. This color of denim is trending, and when I saw this, I'm like, this with red shoes. This with red shoes, so good. And I was thinking like, oh, it's a set. The shorts and the top with red shoes. Y'all, Temu, come on, girl, y'all got me. But I still love this. The quality surprised me, and not in the same way that it surprised me on these, in a different way, because it is a little bit thin, and I'm almost like, oh, what is this gonna look like once I wash it? I will report back. But I love the structure of this, the tailoring on this. And it's just a good little piece, a good little trendy piece to have. I can see myself wearing this like a denim on denim situation, or even wearing this with a pair of trousers for work, because they're trying to send us back in the office, y'all. So my work from home days may be coming to an end, but I really love this. I wish it was the set, but we're not gonna. It's all right. It's all right, girl. We'll make it work. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Temu. Thank you so much, Temu, again. I will put my coupon code up on the screen again, and of course it'll be down in the description bar. All of these items will also be linked down in the description bar. I know I didn't do a lot of styling in this video. I'll have some styling videos coming and everything, so you'll see these items a little bit more styled up instead of just me trying them on. But I wanted to really go ahead and get this out, so if you wanted some of these items before it starts to get cool, you can go ahead and pick these up. I'm so thankful, to you all for subscribing. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe. I create fashion and lifestyle content. Share this video with your friends, your family, anybody in your life who enjoys fashion. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoy these fashion videos and these try-ons. Let's talk in the comments about some of the items that you're thinking about getting. Have you shopped at Temu before? Like, have you bought clothes from Temu? Let's go ahead and chat in the comments, because I'm new to the clothes game when it comes to Temu, and I'm excited to go back and try some other stuff. Yeah, as always, stay beautiful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.